How to log into Snapchat web without your phone. So in this tutorial, I will show you a very easy technique on how to do it. So let's go and head on to our browser and type in your browser Snapchat web. So you will be directed to the Snapchat web, and if not, click on the first link. So I have been logged in before, so what I need to do first is to log out so I can show you on how to log in. So let's go. So usually when you first enter here, you will have this login prompt. So use your username or your email, not your phone number, because we don't have a phone for this tutorial. And then type in your password. So once you have typed in your password, click on next, and once you have clicked on that, you will have a message that you will need to confirm your account in your phone. But since we don't have any phone, we need to do this. So just search on your browser again, BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is an emulator in PC which you are able to download mobile applications for your PC. So after you have done that, just download the Snapchat in your BlueStacks, and you can now confirm your confirmation in that BlueStacks Snapchat. So I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon on so you would be updated here. So again, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.